Why pencils are yellow? You've probably used a pencil thousands of times in your life, at school, at work, or just to write a quick note. But have you ever stopped to wonder why pencils are almost always yellow? The answer has nothing to do with education rules or random design choices. In fact, the reason pencils are yellow goes back over 100 years, and it all started as a smart marketing move. When pencils were first invented in the 1500s, they didn't look like the ones we know today. Early pencils were simple sticks of graphite wrapped in string or placed inside natural wood. They came in brown, black, or plain wooden colors. No bright paint, no standard look. For a long time, pencil makers didn't care about color at all. Pencils were just tools. Everything changed in the late 1800s. At that time, the highest quality graphite in the world came from China. This graphite was smoother, darker, and lasted much longer than the graphite found in other places. Pencils made with Chinese graphite wrote better, but there was a problem. Customers couldn't tell which pencils were high quality just by looking at them. So manufacturers needed a way to show that their pencils were premium. That's when the color yellow entered the story. In Chinese culture, yellow was associated with royalty, wealth, and importance. It symbolized power and high status. So one pencil company decided to paint their pencils yellow to signal that they were made with premium Chinese graphite. The idea worked. People began to associate yellow pencils with better quality, even if they didn't know the reason why. In 1890, a famous brand called Koh-i-Noor introduced a bright yellow pencil at the World's Fair. It stood out instantly among all the plain wooden pencils. Artists, schools, and businesses loved it. Soon, other pencil manufacturers copied the idea. Not because yellow was required, but because customers trusted it. Over time, yellow pencils became the standard. Schools ordered them, companies produced them, and generations of students grew up using them. Eventually, the original reason was forgotten, but the habit remained. Yellow pencils also turned out to be practical. They're easy to see on desks, floors, and classrooms. The paint is affordable, and the design became familiar and comforting. Today, not all pencils are yellow. Mechanical pencils, art pencils, and premium brands come in many colors.
But when you picture a classic pencil in your mind, it's probably yellow.
All because of a marketing decision made more than a century ago. So the next time you pick up a pencil, remember its color wasn't chosen by accident. It was chosen to stand out.